In this video, we will show you how to assemble the doors for your polytunnel. Here are the parts you'll need. Constructing the doors in the warmth of your garage or on a hard flat surface is easier than trying to perform the operation on site. A door is made up of 2 uprights and 4 cross pieces. The uprights are 47mm by 75mm timber and are 2.1 meters long. The 4 cross pieces are also 47mm by 75mm timber and are 1 meter long. The remaining pieces of timber in the pack are battens, which we will use to secure the door cover to the door. To get started, we will drill 4 pilot holes in each upright with a 4mm timber drill bit. Using a tape measure, mark the position of the holes on the upright with a pencil. Holes are required 4 cm in from each end of the upright and a further 2 holes 50 cm in from each end. Ensure you drill the holes central to the width of the timber. Lay the 2 uprights parallel to each other, ensuring that the holes align, and then position the 4 cross pieces between the 2 uprights centrally with the holes. Once you are happy with the alignment, screw them together using the 150mm screws supplied in the commercial door furniture kit. We will now strengthen the joints with nail plates supplied in the commercial door furniture kit. Position a nail plate centrally across the joints and nail into place using twisted nails. Flip the door over and repeat. We will now fit the polythene panel to the door. Lay the polythene panel over the door. Ensure one edge of the panel is flush with the outer edge of one upright, and use a staple gun to secure it down to one upright. Pull the panel tight across the width and secure it to the opposite upright, ensuring there are no wrinkles or creases in the panel. Now secure the panel to one end of the door, whilst pulling any creases out. Secure the panel to the opposite end of the door. Finally, nail the battens around the frame on top of the panels. This will further secure the panels in position. The battens are 19mm by 38mm timber and come in 1.8 meter lengths. You will be required to cut battens to size. The uprights require 1 full batten and a shorter piece, cut to size. Position the batten flush with the inner edge of the door. Secure in position with nails approximately 20 cm apart. Repeat on the opposite upright. Now measure and cut battens for the 4 cross pieces and secure in place. Trim the excess polythene off with a sharp knife. Now it is time to fix the hinges. Hinges are fixed to the inner side of the door on the 2 middle cross pieces. You'll be required to screw the triangle-shaped leaf of the hinge to the cross piece, and the rectangular-shaped leaf will be secured to the doorpost later. Position the T-hinge with the chamfered holes facing upwards, with the rectangular leaf pointing downwards. You will note that the nail plate will be visible through the holes of the hinge. You are able to drill through the nail plate with the screws provided. Adjust the position to avoid nail heads. Repeat this process for all additional hinged doors. The remaining screws for the hinge will be required once the commercial door frame has been fitted. You can find more videos to help you build your polytunnel at construct.firsttunnels.co.uk. We also have a construction helpline if you require any further assistance.